Cities are smart and getting smarter, we're told. As information processing becomes embedded within and distributed throughout ever broader regions of urban space, we as humans arrive at an opportune moment to take back the streets from cars and introduce a new opportunity for optimal pedestrian experiences using augmented reality. There is no higher fidelity than the real world. By augmenting our surroundings with audio, we can preserve a connection with reality while contextualizing it with human stories, critical information, new paradigms, and user experiences and interfaces. Using Bose AR frames with projected audio and positional tracking, our team created scenes, menus, and audio pins in Unity for iOS using the Bose SDK.
You are now standing next to the MIT Media Lab. Pick one of the following choices by positioning your head from left or right after the tone. Left option, learn more about the Media Lab. Right option, student stories.
The Media Lab is an idea. It was an idea that a couple of really bright people had about 25 years ago. They wanted to get away from this directed research model and to completely redefine what basic research would be.
Once you walk into the ground floor lobby of the Media Lab complex, you will come across this amazing exhibit of the Media Lab professor and celebrated composer Todd McCover's new opera.
World Whisper allows users to take the scenic route and enjoy the sights and sounds of reality with an additional layer of audio augmentation that tells you stories and provides contextual information about your surroundings.